Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're diving into the 2026 Nissan Sentra, a compact sedan that continues to evolve with sharper styling, better technology, and a more refined driving feel. Nissan has taken what people liked about the previous model and pushed it forward with cleaner lines, improved aerodynamics, and a more mature overall presence on the road. The front fascia adopts thinner LED headlights, a wider grille design, and sculpted bumper details that give it a much more confident and modern expression. Subtle body creases along the sides complement the redesigned taillights, helping the Sentra look lower and more planted without compromising its approachable character. Under the hood, the 2026 Sentra gets a tuned 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers smoother response and slightly more power than before. While it's not built to be a high-performance sports sedan, it definitely feels more eager when merging or passing, and Nissan's updated continuously variable transmission helps keep the power band usable without excessive noise. Fuel economy remains a strong point, making the Sentra appealing for commuters and city drivers who want a car that sips fuel without feeling sluggish. Suspension tuning has also been refined for better ride comfort over rough pavement, and road noise is reduced thanks to new insulation materials and improved door sealing. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Sentra offers an impressive step up in comfort and technology for its price range. The seating materials are upgraded, the dash layout is cleaner, and the infotainment screen is larger, now supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto by default. The steering wheel and center console feel more premium to the touch, and there are additional storage spaces designed for everyday practicality. Rear seat passengers benefit from improved legroom, and the trunk space is generous enough for weekend luggage, grocery runs, or school gear. Ambient lighting, optional leather upholstery, and dual-zone climate control add a surprisingly upscale touch. One of the standout features for the new model year is Nissan's enhanced safety suite, which includes lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. These features used to be reserved for higher trims, but Nissan is making them more widely available, which adds major value to this segment. Another neat detail is the availability of a digital driver display that gives key information with crisp graphics and customizable layouts. Tech-savvy drivers will also appreciate the optional surround view camera system for easier parking in tight spaces. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Sentra represents a thoughtful evolution of a compact sedan that balances affordability, efficiency, style, and modern convenience. It may not try to reinvent the wheel, but it gives drivers more of what matters in daily use, and that makes it a strong contender for anyone shopping in this class. If you're looking for a practical and reliable daily driver with a touch of modern flair, the Sentra makes a convincing argument in a crowded field of compact cars. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.